Now I will attempt to send message from both ESP32. These two ESP32 will sending and receiving message for this from this ESP32 will send a message to the second ESP32 and receive it, and I will read the message so that, and I also can send a message from this ESP32 to the other ESP32 with the using of the ESP now. And well, then here is our first code of our ESP now message. So then we will open our serial monitor and look for IP address. I think we missed something. I think this is not connected to our Wi-Fi network. So replace with your SSID and password. So I think we have to replace this one with our Wi-Fi network. So our SSID is this one. Control C here, Control V, and then our password. Control C, Control V. So let's upload again our code, and then we will be waiting. Well, the first code we've uploaded is this ESP32. This is the first ESP32 we uploaded over code so to get our IP address. And then we'll see now. Press the reset button, and here is our IP address 192.168.254.11. So this is the one. Try. So our web server works. I think let's try enter our message. We just input a random letters. Enter. Message is sent. So then we press back. Let's see what will happen if we press this again. Oh, so would mean counter 20 minutes, counter 5. So again. So the code works, and then let's upload this code. Then let's copy this code and upload, open a new file for our second mode. For the another ESP32 to receive the message. Now the first ESP32 is finished. We will proceed to the second ESP32. Now 2 ESP32 has been uploaded with our code. So let's do a test run if this works. So in here, so in the error in our second code, we will do the same, but our SSID is okay, has been replaced, our password, and now what we need to replace is the MAC address. So here are MAC address of our, so this MAC address is a MAC address of our first ESP32. So let's copy this, Control C, Control V, so that we will not lost. So this one is C8 C8 to E 18 F8 49 to 4. Then let's erase this one and let's upload the code. So now to ESP32 has been uploaded with our code. So let's do a test run if this works. And now the code has been uploaded to the second ESP32 and we have to take our MAC address. So this is our MAC address of our second ESP32. Let's copy this and put this second our MAC address of here into the first. So this is our MAC. Then let's copy this, C, and let's go back to the first code and replace our MAC address. A8 42 E3 AD 57 0 0. So but first we have to find our IP address of our second ESP32. Sending data error, send counter 42, error sending data. So here is our IP address. This one. See. Wait, no, not this one. 1, 2, 4. So there is 109. Enter. So our second ESP32 add communication. Let's see. It's empty. See? Now here, since you have, let's re-upload second code. Okay, now let's send a message. Let's input a random message. 2 ESP32 are working, but it doesn't receive a message. So nothing. Here is our second trial of our ESP32 message, our ESP communication. So We'll now send a message. Let's erase this first. So we will enter 1, 2, 3 to this message and send it to the other side. Let's wait. Again, let's send this message. Site cannot be reached. Why? So right here, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can send it. I think the site cannot be reached. Connection was reset. Connection was reset. 2 modules were being reset. So this page that you're looking for used information that you entered. Returning to the page might cause any action you took might be repeated. Do what have been used. Message sent. So let's go back. Try. So in here, the other side is we have successfully sent the message, but I have to now. The other side is the message is successfully sent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then ESP now plus web server sending receive and send message finally done. So here's the example. Inputting my name on the message. So let's see this. Feel it. Great. And then we hit send. Then we received a message from ESP32 web server from another ESP32 and show it here in the serial monitor. It's a successful, but there's still one problem. Every time I send a message, it's successfully sent, but the other will not. Wait, it's successful, but it resets again. Random. Then the other, it resets the message. Save anyway. Yes, humana na good. Humana. It's finished. The code is working. Sending and receiving message from the web page. As you can see, from A, sending message from A, and from B, receive message from B. Mana